dumpster rental service in Dunnellon, Florida. Handling a renovation, construction job, or major cleanup in Dunnellon, Florida, requires the right dumpster rental service. All Things Dumpster Rental makes waste management easy with dependable service and a variety of roll-off dumpsters to fit any project. Whether you're clearing out a garage, remodeling a home, or managing construction debris, we have the right solution to keep your site clean and organized. Our process is simple from start to finish. Ordering takes just minutes, and with same-day or next-day delivery, there's no unnecessary waiting. Transparent pricing means no hidden fees, so you can stay on budget with confidence. We are also committed to eco-friendly disposal, ensuring your waste is handled responsibly. Reliable service is at the core of what we do. We offer flexible rental periods to match your project's timeline, whether you need a dumpster for a quick weekend cleanup or an extended job. Our team is always available to answer questions and provide the support you need to keep things running smoothly. Renting a dumpster should be hassle-free, and that's exactly what we deliver. Call All Things Dumpster Rental at 352-804-8783 today to book your dumpster and experience top-quality service in Dunnellon, Florida.